Toby and I are bonding. Here you go, baby. He loves apples. Oh, yeah. There we go. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, that's a good stuff. I tried giving an apple to him earlier and I dropped it. Here you go, Toby. He's so sweet, y'all. Here you go. You definitely have to earn your animal's trust. He's very, very cautious. Is that good? Is that good, Toby? Yes. Yeah, see, Mama loves you. Oh, get your apple. He said, but you have more in your hand, Mommy. I'll take the one in your hand. He's so gentle, y'all. I come out here several times a day and just sit with Toby and talk. And he's got a spot over there that he rolls in and takes a bath, dust bath. Get your apple down there. It's down there, baby. Yes. Oh. No, you can't bite. I don't have an apple in my hand. Good boy. No, he thinks I have an apple. No apple. See? No apple. Mama doesn't have one. He said, well, dang. Doggone it. It's hot out, y'all. It is so hot. Yesterday it was 105. Heat. I don't know what the heat index was, but it was very hot. Get it. Oh, you dropped it. There you go. You gotta watch your fingers when you're giving an animal food like that. I like my fingers. You so sweet. You so sweet. So sweet. That's the first day today. Now get your other apples down there. Mama doesn't have any more. Yes, you sweet. You want me to scratch your head? Do you want me to scratch your head? Huh? There y'all witnessed my first bonding with Toby. Yes, sir. You're the good boy. He's so pretty, y'all. He's just a sweetheart. So, we have cattle back in this pasture back here. They're not up here, though. And he'll have company for the next month. And then we lease our land. And Laramie will be bringing his cattle in. So he'll have company pretty darn soon. And then in the end of September or October, I don't have any, sweetheart. It's on the ground. The end of October, we'll be getting our next livestock. And he'll have plenty company to protect and have to visit. Oh, yes, sir. You are a sweetheart. So we got Toby from Butler Family Farm. They gifted him to us. He wants more apples and they're on the ground. They're on the ground, Toby. And one of their other donkeys was getting a little aggressive towards him, and we didn't want that. We can't have that. So it's nice that he has a shelter out there for now, and then he has this tree, pecan tree. I don't have any more apples, Toby. He really wants more apples, but we'll give you just a little bit, okay? All right. And then I come out and I freshen up his water and make sure he has cool water to drink. Right now that's cold water. And then he gets some sweet feed as a treat. He likes that a lot. Alright, y'all, just wanted to introduce Toby and our bonding experience. I told Jerry and Susan I would let them know. Y'all be blessed. So I talked to Toby and I said, "Oh, you're such a good boy. You're my little beauty. Aren't you? You're my little beauty." And he'll just make this like yawn and smile. It's so cute. See, there he goes. Oh, I love you, Toby. There he goes. That's what he does. Yeah, she's a good boy. You're my handsome boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Look at that smile. If you don't think animals have personalities, understand, you're wrong. They totally get it. Absolutely, without a doubt. You're so handsome, Toby. Such a handsome boy. Such a good boy. Good boy, Toby. I just absolutely love his markings. He's got stripes on his legs, his front legs, and on his back legs. So, those of you who thought it was a zebra we were getting might be somewhat right. Not. Toby. Yep, so we're just spending some time with Toby, bonding with him, let him know he's not alone. Keeping him company. I think he's keeping me company as much as I'm keeping him company, though. He's so sweet. Yesterday, we had 105 temperatures, and it pretty much decimated some of my plants. And yeah, so we came out, these were all wilted, but look at, I've got 2 watermelons growing in my raised bed. They like the heat, but look what it did to my, I had to pull my cabbage out because it was done. But yeah, this is what it did to my garden. So far so good, they're hanging on. Hopefully they'll keep growing. We come out and flood the gardens at night, but there's so much I have to pull. So much. Hercules and Blackie are doing good. We took the divider out because Gray and Grayson, they just decided they want to roam. So that's what they're doing. They're just roaming. We have one more broody hen. She's laying on 4 eggs, so we'll see. After that, we're done. No more broody hens. But yeah, they're just walking around having a good time. It's almost time to, when she's done being broody and hatches, then we're going to clean the coop out. We've been doing the thick layering on it and making sure the chickens have cold water, because y'all, it is blistering hot outside. I know everyone's saying that. It is so hot. Yesterday when you walked out, you just got slapped with a blanket of humidity. I'm sweating now. But yeah. So at the end of the week, it's supposed to get in the 80s. Yay. And I'll go in the gardens and pull all the things I need to pull out. And we'll be done with that. All right, that's all I got.